Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add payouts details in Vinted. So what you'll need to do is go to your profile pic. After that, click on your profile and click on balance. After that, you'll see your balance and you can activate your balance. So basically this will activate your balance. So if you click on that one, you will get a setup where you need to put your first name, last name, date of birth, and add a billing address. And then you will be able to activate your balance. Right here, you'll see your payment history, invoices, and other stuff. For the income, you can select and download a yearly income report right here. So basically, I showed how you can set up it and add payout details. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.